Hello.
We've got a nice cycle alongside the river for 6 kilometres. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful day.
And we're heading to Krakow. And yes, we have got matching t-shirts on. I've got everything I need now on my bike. I've got my little front basket to hold my snacks and anything else I might need in there. I've got my little drinks holder, I've got my carrier on the back, and I've even got a brilliant horn. I had to remove the horn from here to fit my front basket, but it's perfect down here. It's a proper action-packed adventure bike. We're in Krakow.
That was rubbish, wasn't it? So we're in Krakow. So we explored Krakow on our bikes the last couple of hours. Come down, had a little beer at this sort of, I think it's a Jewish quarter. There's a little sort of central market square and little food stalls and stuff. Yeah, we had a little pretzel earlier which they're selling everywhere.
Yeah, they've got all these little pretzel stands. We get like, I don't know, you get one with cheese, or you can get one with different types of seeds. They're quite nice actually. Yeah. Everyone seems to be just wandering
quite chewy.
around.
It's a workout for your mouth.
Everyone's eating them, aren't they? Everywhere you go in the city. And then we've just come to this little market that sells like big round doughy bread thing with like, well, ours had curried chickpeas inside, but you can get pork or you can get probably cheese and things like that. That was quite different.
Really nice city actually. You've got this amazing Warhol Castle, which is huge and looks down onto the river with all these different sections to it. You've got a nice cathedral, a nice sort of square there and all that, and then you've got the main sort of square, the medieval square, which is
the biggest medieval square in the world.
I think it is.
But yeah, it's massive. It's 200 metres by 200 metres. Really impressive.
And Krakow was nice, and that's, I think all the cities in Poland, the two we've been to, have got the main sort of town hall in the centre, a really attractive building. And then there's just a huge square around it. Yeah. And this one's pretty cool. You've got churches and cathedrals sort of off that square down the main street.
Loads of pigeons.
I think that's a tourist attraction as well. People will like feed the pigeons, you know, you get little pigeons to sit on your
just hold your arms out and they jump on your arms. People get a right thrill about it. I even done it, and I don't really like pigeons, and one of them had a big turd stuck to its foot.
Yeah.
They're easy to trick, these pigeons. You just hold your hand out like you're pretending that you've got bread, and they land on you. So you're going to get pissed off with me when he finds out you've got no bread. I got nothing for you. Oh, he had shit all over his foot. Gross. So I won't be doing that again. Yeah, but it's really nice. That's the main focal point, that big square, isn't it?
Yeah, really cool building though. There's a little like souvenir market inside, all nicely lit up, with sort of kind of little chandeliers. But just, yeah, really, really nice. Got a nice vibe about it, nice buildings all around. You've got a park that sort of runs either side of the old town.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really cool. Sorry about that. Some beggar just came over, saw that we were filming.
He actually just grabbed Nick's arm. It's like, really? And then you expect us to give you some money? Not gonna happen. Anyway.
I think he's gone.
Apart from that, it's been brilliant today. we are spending our second night. We arrived quite late yesterday afternoon, and yeah, we were going to move on today, but we thought, you know what, it's so relaxing, peaceful and quiet around here that we decided to stay a second night. Strapping my our beers, to the back of my bike for the journey home. Although my lock's not big enough to fit. So basically we've just cycled up this big hill to this little village, in a little shop in town, just so we can have a little cold beer for the sunset. Because why not? That's what you do. Helping these little businesses out, you see. We don't want to drink tonight, but you know, we felt like we had to come and spend a bit of money for this little village. Help them out.
So yeah, we managed to get back from our beer run just in time for another stunning sunset.
Yeah, my gosh, these sunsets over the lake this time of year when you've got a bit of cloud in the sky, it's absolutely amazing.
It's like a silky glass sheet which just reflects all the different colours from the sunset. It's awesome.
Yeah. So we're right on lakeside.
Pretty much
Sorry, because
surrounded
I'm
by
just
lake.
feeling mosquitoes biting me, so I might have to...
There are a lot of little midges or mosquitoes.
There is a lot of
here.
mosquitoes, and I've got
They're
shorts on.
swarming around us.
We don't mind the mosquitoes when we're in this sort of location. It is so nice and so peaceful. It's almost perfect.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.